hello here? You are a coward. You don't know what you are doing. Who brought you to this town, self? You are a coward. You are a coward. You are this Niger man. You are in Niger. You are as far than Niger is from. You are not from this country. You are not from this country.
We're going to get a freezer, so it's either I get a deep freezer or I get a refrigerator that has a freezer compartment. The one I currently have is too small, like it's too small. Every time I go to the market I have to force things in because there's literally no space, and I have been using that freezer since I started my life and my journey in Abuja, which is like 8 to 10 years ago. So it's time. My budget is about $200. My budget is 200,000 naira, and I don't know what I'm going to be able to find with that budget. I feel like we might have to push it to 250k, but I'm not buoyant right now, so that's my budget. And I've been on TikTok checking, so the plan is to go to Wuse 2, but I have something to do in Gariki. I have some documents I need to go and pick up in Gariki. So from Gariki we go to Wuse Zone 4. Yeah, so that's the plan for today. Let's go!
Here, you are a coward. You don't know what you are doing. Who brought you to this town, self? You are a coward. You are a coward. You are this Niger man. You are in Niger. You are as far than Niger is from. You are not from this country. You are not from this country. Come down.
See, police is coming.
Why is blocked? I think they want to come fight. You say my back room. Yes. The man now talking to them.
You see, everybody see him, Abi.
They're not passing. They're not passing here. You know what? They don't have the pass up. Yes. This one. You sit there. You don't see this other.
They have caused another traffic.
You don't know the rule and regulation. You don't know the rule and regulation. I will never pass that. I will never pass them. I don't know what to do. What happened?
We are at that junction. I think the light passed us, but he didn't want to move, and we're all coming this side.
But now,
Naim block us. No brush. No, we no brush. No brush. Police is walking away.
Okay, man, I talk to the driver now. Talk to him now. What's they do now? Talk to that man.
Ugo, don't go and do anything, no, leave them.
You see all these popular brands, they're more expensive, though.
How many liters is this one?
Sorry, 100.
100. be doing by myself. What brand is Midea? So this one is smaller than that one.
This one is smaller. This one is bigger
than that one. When we do this amount, this size of okay, 295. Jesus.
This one and that one same size.
150.
No, this is 100.
For what now? It's too big. So what can you tell me about that brand that you showed me?
This one, the Upman.
And
It's actually a new brand.
obviously.
A new brand. It's not up to 2 years in Nigeria market.
From where?
China.
I don't know what we're doing today.
This one is just like extra.
Because there's no, we don't need this one. What am I? How many are they using? All these sizes, I don't need it now. I don't need all these things. I'd rather buy it this one or even that small one. Then when I have money, I cannot buy it. Huge on this one. I don't need all these big sizes. I'm not family house like that. How does this come out? Let me recommend one air freshener to you guys. Very, very strong. So you don't like it?
No, I don't like it.
It's very strong though, very strong. Think of wood. Arabian fragrance, very, very strong. If you don't like strong scents, you won't like this one, okay? See?
It's like hand sanitizer scent. Hand sanitizer scent.
It's very strong. It smells like Arabian. Yes. Very strong. Just need only one spray. I don't think it's very strong. I just use only one spray. I'm going to try the other ones, but they're I am so exhausted. I didn't even eat anything before going out. And what's even going on in this country? Did you see that altercation that happened on the road? It was so bad my boat driver had to come down. The other one too came down. The other guy in the other car literally blocked the road. He didn't want us to pass by. And I was like, okay, I'm sorry, it's okay. You're wasting your time and you're wasting our time too. Please, it's okay, let us just go. My rider didn't want to hear anything. The other man driving the car didn't want to hear anything. They were just going at each other, and you know, it just literally wasted my time. We left the house at like past 12 and now it's currently past 5. You can see, although I came in late though, because I still went somewhere to buy some other things. But yeah, I am so tired right now. I need to rest, take a shower, eat. I told you guys when I was leaving I wanted to buy a fridge or a freezer. I ended up getting a freezer. I'm going to do the unboxing and I'm going to show you guys in a different video. So yeah, I think that's all for today. This is going to be the end of today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please leave a comment. Leave a comment, please. Your comment means a lot to me, okay? Yeah, that's all for today. Bye guys.